If you're looking for a reliable cable to connect your mixing console's channel insert to an effects processor, this 1/4 inch TRS to Dual RCA cable is worth considering. Designed with clear labeling, TIP for send and ring for return, it makes setup straightforward and error-free. Built to last, the cable features nickel-plated plugs that resist wear and ensure efficient signal transfer. That means fewer worries about connection issues or signal loss during your sessions. The rugged design stands up to regular use without sacrificing flexibility. Inside, oxygen-free copper, OFC, conductors deliver enhanced signal clarity, letting your audio come through crisp and clean. Complementing this, the OFC spiral shields protect against electromagnetic and radio frequency interference, so your sound stays pure even in busy environments. Measuring 2 meters, the cable offers enough length for most studio setups without excess slack. The sturdy strain reliefs add durability at stress points, preventing damage from bending or pulling. Users report the cable feels flexible yet robust, with snug-fitting plugs that hold securely in place. Some users note that the RCA connectors are thicker than usual, which might require a bit more space in tight setups. Still, the trade-off is a heavy-duty build that's less likely to fail or degrade over time. Good cables like this can noticeably improve your audio experience by maintaining strong, clear connections. If you want a cable that combines durability with high-quality signal transmission, this 1/4 in TRS to Dual RCA cable fits the bill. It's a solid choice for musicians, producers, and anyone serious about their sound chain. Worth a look if you need dependable, clear audio connections. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your setup with a cable that won't let you down. Whether in the studio or live, this cable delivers consistent performance and peace of mind. Clear labeling, rugged materials, and thoughtful construction all add up to a product that works as hard as you do.